Unraveling Cambridge. Dive into sample papers and practice tests. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Cambridge English exams. Preparing for these exams can be a daunting task, but fret not. We'll focus on a crucial resource: sample papers and practice tests. So, if you're gearing up for a Cambridge English exam, you're in the right place. Understanding the exam format is half the battle won. Sample papers and practice tests provide a sneak peek into the actual exam. Here's why they're invaluable. 1. Familiarity with exam pattern. Before you take the real exam, you'll have a clear idea of what to expect, from question types to time constraints. 2. Confidence boost. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. This can significantly reduce exam jitters. 3. Assess strengths and weaknesses. They help you pinpoint areas you're strong in and those that need a little more work. A typical Cambridge English exam sample paper will contain 1. Question format. You'll see the exact type of questions, be it multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or essay questions. 2. Marking scheme. Knowing how marks are allocated can help you strategize. You'll know where to invest more time and where you can save some. 3. Duration. Time management is key. Sample papers clearly mention the time allotted, so you can practice finishing within that frame. To fully benefit from practice tests. 1. Simulate real exam conditions. Try to mimic the exam setting. Find a quiet spot, set a timer, and avoid any distractions. 2. Review answers thoroughly. After you finish, don't just check your scores. Dive into your mistakes. Understand why an answer was wrong and how to correct it. 3. Practice regularly. Don't cram. Instead, space out your practice sessions over weeks or even months leading up to the exam. 4. Stay calm and positive. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes in practice. That's how you learn and improve. That's a wrap on our journey through Cambridge's sample papers and practice tests. Remember, the key to acing any exam is preparation. And with these resources at your fingertips, you're well on your way to success. Happy studying and see you in our next video.